Do you guys know that every morning I in fact have a cup of coffee every single morning? Oh, she's perfection every time. Where can I put you guys? How about there? Uh-oh. I think that's good. Hi, hello, beautiful people. We're still moving. I think I only have the rest of my bedroom to pack and then we're out of here. A couple days ago, what was I doing? We're cleaning out my closet. Yeah, we're cleaning out my closet and I was sharing with you all just where I am when it comes to sustainability in my life. I did that thing again. Mark that. I almost did it again. When it comes to my skincare and wellness routines, I would say I have already been acting pretty sustainably. Sustainably. Do you act sustainably? Sustainably? Is that a word? Recently, however, I have been paying more attention to other areas in my life where I can be a bit more sustainable, like my fashion. I don't know if it's a coming of age thing, you know, does this happen just as you're getting older? But I'm definitely in a place where I want to invest more in my fashion pieces, not being so stuck on the quantity and more so the quality of my things. Like I don't need to buy 10 t-shirts at a time that cost $10.99. Instead, I can get 1 or 2 quality shirts that I know is going to last like a long time. I have 2 really good friends who definitely encourages me to not feel bad for investing in myself. That's exactly what it is. It's investing in yourself and not feeling bad about it. I've been having so many conversations with friends, with myself, when it comes to my relationship with sustainability, right? And what that will look like when it comes to fashion specifically. There's like this tier, right? Or this scale is a better way to describe it. We talk about fast fashion. You have your Pretty Little Things of the world. You have your Fashion Novas of the world. And then probably at the top of the fast fashion tier, you have like your Zara. Then right above fast fashion, once you get out of fast fashion, that's where luxury fashion fits in. And that also, you know, has a scale. When it comes to luxury, right? I feel that there's almost this shame, can we call it shame? That Black women specifically, and I'm including myself in this, feel when we invest in ourselves in that way. And let me just give you a tangible example. When it comes to luxury items, there's always this preface that we feel we have to make in order to like justify X purchase, whatever it is, however you define luxury for yourself. So whether it's a bag, a shoe, you going to the spa every week, getting your nails done, your hair, it's almost this like, oh, but I got a Groupon on this thing, I got this on sale. Why do we do that? It's people on here every day buying homes and cars for their mama, their sister, their brother, and nobody's saying a peep. Nobody asking them if they got that on sale or use a special discount code. You know, it's like, we work hard too. We like nice things. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to give you right now a luxury haul and not feel bad about it. Today's video actually couldn't be any more timely. It's sponsored by TheRealReal. Sorry, had to get more coffee. If you're not familiar with TheRealReal, they are a luxury consignment brand. They have a website and also some stores here in New York City. I believe maybe 1 or 2. correct me if I'm wrong. So thank you so much, TheRealReal, for partnering with me and not making me feel bad for investing in myself. Okay? You should do that too. Let's see what I got. All of these items are definitely coming with me to the new place. Wait, this is one of my new items I have on. Wait a minute, hold up. It's a dress. Let's start here. Ow, ow. I got, because it has a nice little split, this dress here. This is a dress by Jacquemus, or is it Jacquemus? How do you guys say it? Jacquemus? I say Jacquemus. I feel like I heard people say Jacquemus. I've been dying to own one of his pieces, and I got my hands on it. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. She will be wearing this sometime soon. This is item number 2. Look at her. This is the Saint Laurent Sac de Jour. I was looking for just a new black bag. Let me compare the two for you guys just so you can see the sizing. This is too big for an everyday bag now for me, because at a point at a time it was my everyday bag, but I know I wanted something smaller. Still pretty similar in design. Both are black, both have silver hardware. This one's like on the inside, but the size is just so much better. Here's the inside. I'm trying to keep the structure all nice. You see, oh, that is quality. Up next, I got some glasses. Let me show you. I love that they just like fit my big old head. That's my favorite part about these. These definitely give more, that's a big head. So I haven't really opened these two yet, but I just have 2 more things. Wait, it was something I saw. First thing. Okay, so inside of this box, we have the authentication forms or documents. When it comes to consignment, I get it. You're like, is this the real thing? Like, who could I really trust here? Good thing about TheRealReal, they actually have a team of experts that authenticate every single item that they take in. First, it's this beautiful ring. Show you guys. Oh, that is beautiful. Is it on backward? It goes this way. Oh, that looks even prettier in person. Like, it was pretty on the site, but wow, that's beautiful. I don't own any gold rings at all. I'm gonna keep her on because she matches my earring. That's cute. Boom. Oh my god. This is a Mansur Gavriel. Wait, you can't. Hold up. Look at that. Oh, the inside is so soft. That is, yeah, that's everything that I picked up from TheRealReal. Again, thank you so much, TheRealReal. This couldn't be more perfectly timed. As I'm transitioning out of this place, getting rid of the old, welcoming in the new, and really just setting like a tone for myself. So thank you guys so much. I will make sure I link, well, they're one of one item, so I guess this isn't a thing where I can link the item for you, but I can tell you what I got in case you're interested in just checking the site. Because at TheRealReal, like, say, I don't know, if you're looking for this bag, you will put in the name and you're gonna get more than one option. You're gonna get different colorways, different sizes. They have options, and that's what I love. So I'm gonna get out of here, going to finish packing. This is actually my last day. This is my last day in the apartment. or my last night, right? Yeah. Wow, oh my God. Maybe this will be the last that you guys see of it. I mean, I'm not sad. It's not sad at all, but wow. The end of an era, really, seriously, and the beginning of a new. So let me get my stuff together.